Hey everybody, it's David here from Evolve Training Systems. With the current events, all gyms in Australia have now closed. Most training facilities and gyms are now offering some kind of online training package. The issue with a lot of these packages is that they lack accountability, support, and most importantly, customization. At best, all that's available is some training videos that you can follow at home. So that's why at Evolve, we've developed a 10-week challenge that's completely available online and you can do at home, and it's completely customized to your body, your fitness levels, your medical and injury history, as well as your goals. For those of you that don't know Evolve, we are one of the top-rated gyms in the country. Our team is one of the most experienced, successful, and qualified teams in this country. Our success ranges all the way from physique competitions to injury treatment, right through to people coming in for their first time. The reason why we have been so successful is because everything we do is completely customized to each individual. All training and nutrition advice is completely customized to each person's age, height, weight, activity level, injury, and medical history. All of our assessments are very stringent and detailed, where we look through biofeedback markers, nutrient deficiencies, and postural assessments. The combined training experience from our team is over 40 years. We've seen over 6,000 people in the last 10 years. So every situation we've already addressed and had experience with and had success in. We are very proud of the results we've been able to achieve with our clients, and we'd love to share some of them with you right now.
Well, the results I achieved over the last 10 weeks have been I have lost 10.3 kilos, 9 kilos of which of that is just pure fat. I've put on a couple of kilos of muscle as well, and I've also lost in total 52.5 centimetres off my total body, 18 of which was purely off my waist. So I'm quite happy with that.
Over the last 2 weeks, I've lost over 20 kilos of body weight and 45 centimetres.
I joined the 10-week challenge because I really needed to change my life, really. My diet, my fitness, my body shape. I was sick of trying different other things that weren't working. I've tried a lot, and finally I found something that worked. In the past, I have tried shake diets, I have tried other gyms, I have tried just reducing my food myself. I've tried to eat healthy, I've tried everything that I've known. I also did another challenge somewhere else where at the halfway point I actually put on weight.
Oh, in the last 10 weeks I've achieved physical challenges have improved majorly. My mental mindset has gained confidence. My physical being has improved majorly from where I last was, and my relationship with my husband intimately has been a massive improvement and amazing.
I would recommend this challenge to anyone that wants to make a difference, anyone that wants to change for a long period of time, and anyone that's wanting to show others that they're able to complete something 100%.
This challenge has been different because they treat me like I'm an individual, so individual food plan, individual program, very different to what my husband's doing, and that was fantastic because I am very different, and I obviously needed something different to what other people had going for them, so it's actually worked really well.
I'd recommend this challenge to everyone. So it's not just for people that want to lose weight. If you want to put on size or anything, any part of your fitness really, if it's nutrition, just anything, everyone can do this.
This is one of the most thorough and detailed programs available in the industry. We thoroughly assess you first before we deliver any information or advice when it comes to training or nutrition. We do this by taking a lot of information on your biofeedback markers to understand hormone profile, vitamin and mineral deficiencies, and other information about your health first. Then we look at your posture and make sure that we understand where your limitations are, where issues are and imbalances are, and what exercises are going to benefit you and which ones we need to avoid to make sure that we keep you safe and injury-free. Then what we do is we customize all of your training programs and eating plans based on your age, your height, your weight, activity level, medical history, and injury history. Once we've done all that, we deliver a one-on-one training session where you'll have with a trainer to guide you through your training, show you how to do the exercises properly, make sure that you do them safely and in a manner that's efficient and able to get you results. We check in with you every week to also look at your measurements, look at your weight, and look at how things are changing and what improvements we need to make to your plans to make sure that this is a successful 10 weeks for you. So if you're interested with working with some of the best coaches in the country on getting the best results for you possible in a safe and healthy manner, click on the link on this ad, register your interest, and one of us will be in touch with you very, very soon.